I'm going to sharpen the jungle machete today. It's brand new. We're going to take it sharper than new. You got to feel this edge. Watch this. These rods are made to flex so they stay on the knife's original cutting edge. When you squeeze your blade in there and draw through, you can only make them sharper. Here it's a little rough right now. Now it's starting to get smooth. Here it is. Paper test. Look at that. Sharp as a razor. Feel that? Is that sharper than brand new? Be careful. Sharper? Block Sharpener. We will sharpen every blade. You can do your kitchen knives, hunting knives, fillet knives. I do hatchets, cleavers, machetes, outdoor gardening tools. Run them through there. These pins Rockwell over 69, making it harder than any factory-made knife. And I'm finding I can put a great edge on any kind. Whoop! Here, let me grab a fresh piece of paper. Any cutting edge. I got these in the show today, 20 bucks each. 2 of them for 30.
We were good yesterday.
2 for 30, 1 for 20. 20 bucks, that's yours. Chance to get 2 for 30, guys. Thank you. Thank you, gracias. Got a knife, y'all? We'll show you it works.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. These sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.